Hello my dears, welcome to the channel, and today we're going to be solving this exponential equation. We have 40 to the x plus 40 to the 2x plus 40 to the 3x equals 39. So what is the value of x? We're going to solve for both real and imaginary solutions. So let's get started. And then, well, what I'm going to do first of all is that you see I have x here, 2x and 3x. Okay, so this is important to observe because I'm going to write this as 40 plus 40 to the x plus 40, and I'm going to say that this is to the power of 2, and then plus 40 to the x, and I'm going to say this is to the power of 3. Now I have to write this number on the right side of the equation as something like this, right? So I'm gonna say that 39 is 3 plus, and I'm gonna say plus 9 because 9 is 3 to the power of 2, okay? And then I'm gonna say plus 27, and this is actually 39, and 9 here is 3 to the power of 2, and 27 is 3 to the power of 3. So now I'm going to bring these numbers to the left side of the equation, and I'm going to say 40 to the x plus 40 to the x square plus 40 to the x to the power of 3 minus 3 minus 9, which is 3 to the power of 2, minus 27, which is 3 to the power of 3, and then this is equal 0. So I'm just going to write together these terms according to the powers, okay? So it means that this is going to be 40 to the x, right, minus 3, plus 40 to the x square, minus 3 to the power of 3, plus 40 to the power of x to the 3 minus 3 to the power of 3 equals 0. So now we have to set some identities here. Look here, we have something as a square minus b square, and this is equal to a plus minus b, as we prefer, and a plus b. And this one here looks like a to the 3 minus b to the 3, and we can write this as a minus b, which multiplies what? Which multiplies a square plus ab plus b square. So guys, please, if you didn't subscribe yet to the channel, please help me subscribing, like the video. If you think like it's taking too long, please increase the speed of the video, just make it go fast 2 times. But I need time, guys. This is very important, so you help me a lot doing so. Okay, at least 3 minutes watching the video, guys, you really help me a lot. Okay, let's get back then. And then here you can see that you could make a substitution here. You could say 40 to the x equals, for instance, let's say a, but you will have to consider that a is greater than 0. I mean, because 40 to the x is always a positive number. But I'm not going to work with substitution, but some people really love substitution. But I do so, but not for this time, okay? So guys, now let's apply these identities here. So we have then 40 to the x minus 3 plus, and then this one will become my apology, guys. This is not 3. This is 2. Okay, sorry, this is 2. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna say that this is 40 to the x minus 3, which multiplies 40 to the x plus 3, and then this one here will be plus 40 to the x minus 3, which multiplies 40 to the x square, right, and then plus 3 times 40 to the x, and then plus 9, which is 3 square, and then this is 0. Okay, so now we have that this one, and this one are the same, so we're gonna factor out. We're gonna have 40 to the x minus 3, which will multiply 1, okay, here, and then here we're gonna have plus 40 to the x plus 3 plus, and here we're gonna have 40 to the x square plus 3 times 40 to the x plus 9, and then this is equal 0. Okay, cool. And then from here we have then that this is 40x minus 3, right? Let's just organize these terms here. We're gonna have 40 to the x. Let me erase this. We have then 40 to the x, right? And this is to the power of 2. This one plus this one, we're going to have plus 4 times 40 to the x, and then plus 1, this is going to be 4, and then plus 9, this is going to be 13, right? And then this is equal 0. Okay, so we have then that this is 40 to the x minus 3 equals 0, and then 40 to the x squared, and then plus 4 times 40 to the x, and then plus 13, and then this is 0. So from here we have that 40 to the x is equal 3. Okay, and then we have that applying log on both sides here, log base 40 here, 40 to the x equals log 3 base 40 here. We have then that our x1 is equal to log base 40 of 3. Okay, so now let's go to the second one here. This is our real solution, and then let's solve this one here. So guys, it's a quadratic equation in terms of 40 to the x, right? So if we have our quadratic equation ax plus bx plus c equals 0, we have the answer would be, right, the root would be x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So now we consider x as being 40 to the x. So we're going to have 40 to the x then is equal to negative b, which is negative 4, plus or minus square root of b squared, which is 4, and this is 16, minus 4 times a times c, which is going to be 4 times 13 times 1, and then we're going to have this 4 times 13, this is 52, right? 52, and then divided by 2, a is 1, so we have then that 40 to the x is going to be minus 4 plus or minus, and then this is going to be square root of negative 36 divided by 2, and then at the end we're going to have 40x to the x equals minus 4 plus or minus. This is going to be then 6i, right, divided by 2, and then from here we have 40 to the x equals this is okay, dividing by 2, we're going to have minus 2 plus or minus 3i. Okay guys, so now let's apply log on both sides. So we're going to have log base 40 to the x equals log base 40, and then of here minus 2 plus or minus 3i, right? And then we have that our x2 and 3 are equal to log base 40 of minus 2 plus or minus 3i. Okay guys, so this is the imaginary solutions. And now let's check if we write here. So x1 is log of 3 base 40, right? So we have 40 to the x plus 40 to x plus 40 3x equals 39. So, and we say that our x is equal to log base 40 of 3. So let's say then we have 40 here. Let's replace here. We're going to have log 40 base 3, base 40, log of 3, plus 40 here. We're going to have 2 log of this one here, and then this is equal to 39. Okay, cool. So let's check this, guys. Log 3, 40 plus, this is going to be 40 log of, here we're going to have 40, this one comes here, so it's going to be 3 to the power of 2, which is 9, and then 40 here, this one comes here, we're going to have log base 40 here, and 27, right? And this is equal to 39. And remember that if we have log a to the log of a b, this is equal b. So from here we're gonna have this one go with this goes with this go with this, and then we're gonna have 3, let's say this one here, 3 plus 9 plus 27, and then this is equal to 39. Is it really 39? So this one here is 39. So 39 equals 39. So thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel and help me, guys. I really need your support. So let's make this channel one of the best YouTube math channels in the long run, or maybe in the short run if people want to. Thank you very much. See you next video. Don't forget to subscribe.